Diya by Fanfold. We use paper A4 color papers. See, these are the color papers, A4 size color papers. We take two colors, one for light and one for diya. First we will fold the paper from the center, red color, and we will cut the paper. We will use the paper like this for folding paper. Fold the paper like this, and we will fold the paper from the center like this. Now we take the Fevicol and put in the center and press it and keep aside, and we will take the ribbon here and we will cut into small pieces and we will stick it and keep aside. And we will take the yellow page and we will mark with a pencil here. One mark here and two marks on the other side. Like this, two scale here, one scale here, and we will fold the paper from the center and we will cut it. And this also, we will take this part, we will fold the paper, same fan fold, and again we will fold the paper from the center and we will stick it. And keep aside, two figures papers are there. Now we will take the orange color, these two colors, and we will cut the orange one like this shape, and one from the little shape like this, and we will fold the paper and we will make the mark here. And this one also. Fold the paper and make the mark like this. Cut it. Open the paper. See, like this we'll get the papers. Stick it like this. This shape you will get the papers. Now we will take the paper, yellow paper, and cut it from the upper side in a slant way, like this. We will cut the paper and we will put some gum here when the paper is open here. On the opposite side also. Keep aside. And the red paper is also same. And back side also. Look at the paper. Put the gum here. Stick the papers like this, opposite side. Like this we will make the diya, and we'll paste the orange and light orange here for this one, like this. And you have taken this one. When a staple hit in the center of the paper here, with the help of the stapler, like this we will staple it. So we will make the diya like this. Opposite side same, done with the same side also. See, same on the back side. When you will hang the opposite side, both the side diya will look. Take any thread, plastic, wire, and put it like this. Hang like this. On the window, your entrance, like this you can hang the diya like this. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.